Most people in the world do not know the use of a subconscious mind, or they do not believe in its power. However, it is a known fact that if you can use your subconscious mind to its full, then you can find solutions to almost any problems in your life. The subconscious mind is a part of the brain that does not have the ability to differentiate the good from the bad. It only follows the thing, which the conscious mind reflects on the subconscious mind. More importantly, even though the subconscious mind works 24 a day, it becomes active on the passiveness of the conscious mind. How do you use the subconscious mind? Here are some strategies that will help you to learn to use the subconscious mind. Notify the subconscious mind of the problems you are having and ask your subconscious mind to seek for solutions to the problems. You can remind the subconscious mind by repeating the problems that you have and stressing on the searching of answers. You can also visualize the problem to find the solutions. Generally, this step is the inputting step. Just as a computer has to be fed with data, or you have to input data to find solutions to the problems, your mind works in a similar way. You have input data or the problem to seek the answer. Next is the processing step. Just as a computer processes the data inputted by using several software, the problem that you input into your mind needs processing. For this, you have to relax your mind by involving in different activities such as listening to music, playing, or any other things that are not stressful. The aim is to avoid stress. The more you can avoid stress, the more easily you can find definite and positive solutions to your problems. The conscious mind does not do this part of the work. The subconscious mind does the thinking for you. Next is the output stage. After the subconscious mind seeks a solution to the problems, it lets you know by a feeling. The most important thing for you is to understand the feeling. Many a times, you may not pay much attention to it. Therefore, it is advisable to pay attention to the feeling. It can be in the form of images rolling in your mind, or just a thought in your mind. Thus, you can find a solution to a problem with the help of a subconscious mind.